Like even you have a CCNA service provider track, which mainly deals with service provider technologies. And then you got CCNA voice, CCNA video, CCNA wireless. These are all actual specialization associate level courses. And then in that each and every platform, you have professional level. At the same time, you can go to the expert level certifications. So Cisco, when you talk about Cisco, so it's like a very vast things. It's not only about CCNA routing switching, CCNP routing switching. It mainly deals with a lot of technologies depending upon the specializations and the requirement of the market. They divide into different variable tracks. So I can say there are mainly 7 tracks. We can say training and events, or we can say training and certifications. So there is a table which will give some more idea on with the different levels of certifications. You can see this is the one which was recently released by Cisco. So mostly it will be implemented from the next year, February 2014. CCI collaboration, which includes some little bit voice and video technologies. So which means there won't be any voice, CCI voice. So data center technologies, design, routing switching. You can start with associate, professional, and expert level in routing switching. And again, you have a security specialization, CCNA, CCNP, CCI security. So more in depth of security concepts. So service provider again mainly deals with the track which specializes the candidate's ability to install, maintain, and configure and use different service provider technologies like MPLS, quality of service, like that. So operations and storage, video, voice, wireless. These are all different types of specializations. And finally, you have architect level, which comes into designing, CCDA, design level, design professional, and design expert. So after CCI, there is an architect level. Okay, that is what this. So these are all the different tracks Cisco provides. So maybe in the future, once you are done with the CCNA, you can be depending upon the interest, depending upon the market demand, and depending upon the company requirement, you can plan any one of these tracks. So maybe once you get some add some experience, you can probably think about any professional level or expert level certifications in the future. Okay, so but it's good to have before, as you already plan to get into some, make your career into Cisco technologies. It's good to have an overall idea on what exactly Cisco and what are the different certifications it provides, and some basic information on like what exactly security contains, like more into firewalls, what service provider covers, and what routing switching deals with, which specialization contains what contents, and which actually suits your requirement. Based on that, you can plan any one of these certifications. Okay, so just to have a good information, some basic information which I really suggest you to go through with this website to add some more information on this. Okay, so this is just an overview of all the different types of Cisco certifications. Okay, so let's come down. So this is just an overview of introduction to Cisco technologies and some basic introduction to networking devices, and then some overview of the different Cisco technologies and the Cisco's platforms and specializations. So probably in our next video we'll start with our first topic, where we'll see some TCP/IP addressing and all those things. Okay, thank you.